Hi there, students. To lech, a lech, a lecture, and lechery. Okay, lechery. This isn't an easy one to define. So let's see. Lechery is a behavior where you show strong sexual interest in somebody, but inappropriately, in an inappropriate way, in a way that's excessive and offensive. So lechery is a vice. So the old man stood outside the park leching after the young girls in the park. Yeah, so he's thinking about having sex with children. This is a paedophile. That's leching. Yeah, it's so lechery is a lust, a look or a desire full of lust, full of a desire for sex, but inappropriately. So lechery, this is normally for men, and they are only interested in other people sexually. They're only interested in sex. Yeah. It's so lechery is very negative. Yeah, a dirty old man leching inappropriately. He gave the secretary a lecherous look. So this is a sexual look that makes the person who receives it feel uncomfortable, makes them feel dirty. Lechery is inappropriate. Yeah, it's excessive, unrestrained sexuality. Yeah, it's showing that you want to have sex with someone, but inappropriately, in an inappropriate situation, an inappropriate occasion. Yeah, it's like sexual gluttony. Yeah. Okay, so it's you're being lewd and showing desire. Lechery is an outward behavior. It's a physical manifestation that shows you feel lust or desire inside. Yeah, but if you feel lust for someone, you don't have to lech. You don't have to express it inappropriately and make people feel uncomfortable. And this is the idea of to lech. Yeah, he's always leching after everybody's wife, to behave like a lecher. Yeah, it's showing a desire or a craving to have sex with someone. It's degenerate, it's rather perverted, it's inappropriate. Yeah, and the idea of lechery is inappropriate. Now, if we actually look at the origin of this word, it comes from Old French lecher, which actually comes from to lick, or to live in gluttony, eating too much, or sensuality. From Old Frankish, lick on, to lick. So it's like licking your lips in desire, but not for food, for sex. And this is the idea. It comes from Proto-Indo-European leg, meaning to lick. So it's like to lick your lips, to show your sexual appetite in an inappropriate way to people who clearly are not going to respond to this. And this is the idea of lechery. Yeah, so lechery is rather nasty. It's, yeah, he's an old lecher. I think also this word lechery, it's almost exclusively applied to men as well. Okay, so a lecherous person. Yeah, he's always looking at the girls lecherously. Yeah, he's showing his strong degenerate sexual desire to lech after somebody. He's always leching after his secretary. Yeah, looking at her inappropriately, acting in an inappropriate way without actually physically touching, but demonstrating it by your words, by your actions, by your look, by the way that you behave. So yeah, women feel uncomfortable when men lech after them. So there we go. Let's see, formality, to lech, a lecher. I'm thinking about this. I would say lechery. I'm going to give lechery a 6 in formality. A lech, to lech. A lech as a person, 5 in formality. I think you can use these words anywhere, although a touch on the formal side. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lech, lechery, a lecher.